Institute, Government Women's Polytechnic. And this year, I'm going to invite you to the onboarding session of our Google Cloud Facilitator program. Over here, I'm going to tell you about everything about how you can start your Google Cloud journey with Google Quick Labs. Okay, so let's get started. I hope you don't have any problems regarding this. If my voice isn't audible, please let me know, because there are some kinds
It's
of
breaking, ma'am,
network issues.
sometimes.
Okay. Well, I'll try. Is it okay now?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So, hello everyone. Welcome to the Google Cloud Ready Facilitator Program 2022. Okay. So, what's the agenda this time? We'll let you know about what the program actually is, how to kickstart your journey with Google Cloud, how to create your Google Cloud public profile, and prize eligibility, the registration informations, and introduction to lab skill badges and quests, and a live lab solution. Okay. I hope this much is. Now, what is the agenda of the program? So every year, what Google does is they launch a kind of program, something known as Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program in the month of April only. And over there, they give you a chance to work on Google Cloud platforms. Everybody knows about cloud computing. If you are familiar with latest emerging technologies, you must be knowing about that. Okay. So what it does is they provide you with free subscriptions to all the students who are enrolled under Facilitator programs. Okay, so what is this Facilitator program? Under this, you will get a chance to work on the live labs. You can just say that a live platform, just like Jupyter Notebook or like Visual Studio Code, where you have given a set of instructions and you have to solve each and everything. I hope you're getting my points. Okay. Well, let's get started with this website. I've sent you the link of this in the subscription in many of the informations, I guess. So you must be knowing about that. If you don't mind, you can click on this and just sending you the link over here. So you can just go line by line, okay? There you go. Okay. So the program is starting from 25th April 2022 in the evening 5 p.m. So as soon as the link starts, there will soon as the link starts, you will be able to click over here and you will be able to log in into a Google Cloud form, and not Google Cloud form. It's a Google form. Over there, what you will get is you will get certain kinds of informations about how you can start your Google journey, and then you have to register with your informations like your name, your university, your expected graduation date, and then a Google Cloud Platform profile link. Okay. So how are you going to do that? Everything about this, and I'm going to tell you one by one. So basically, what you have to do is there are some kinds of labs over here. This is called track 1, track 2, track 3, and track 4. In each track, there are some kinds of quests and skill badges. Okay, what are these quests and skill badges? Quests are some kinds of certificates like this. Okay, and quests and skill badges are something like this. Okay, it's a kind of certificate. Yeah, are you saying something? Please write in the chat box I couldn't hear you. Okay. Okay. So the first thing is you have to solve each and every lab of these quests. Okay. Now, under this quest, you have certain kinds of labs. What are these labs? I'm going to tell you. Okay. Yeah. Once you complete, you will get a skill badge, right, like this on your Google platform account. Okay, on your profile link. And as soon as you complete the labs, you will get a green tick. But if you're not able to complete it, there will be a blank space. Nothing will be there. So each lab has, each quest actually has, each quest has around 3 to 4 labs, which can take around 3 to 4 hours to complete. Well, it depends on how much time it takes for you to complete them. Okay, I know most of them have actually done this program last year, but for sure, I will let you know that this year the user interface has changed a little bit. So you might face a little bit of difficulties in solving this skill badges because the questions has been changed. If like you have to change the YML file document from yellow color to pink color, this time it has been like you have to change it from yellow to red, something like that. There will be a little bit of difference so that the challenge must be tricky. Okay. Now you got about this, like if you complete track 1, you will get some prizes, track 2, some other prizes, and then track 3 and track 4. Now this track 4 is the ultimate milestone. Okay. Once you complete track 1, you will get milestone 1. If you complete track 2, you will get milestone 2. You will if you complete track 3, milestone 3, and then if you complete the track 4, you will get the ultimate milestone. Now, what is the timing? You will get time from 25th April to 25th June. I think it's June. Yeah, from 25th April to 25th June. So you have around 2 months to complete each and every lab, and that's pretty easy. Okay, if you contribute only 1 hour a day, that will be much easier. I know you have your classes, you have everything. So you can do it. For students who have who have actually attended the event last year, what you need to do this time is you have to create a new Google account. It is not allowed for you to continue with the same account so that you are not able to complete each and every lab from there because you have completed it earlier. Some new labs have been added, like this one, Google Operations Suite, Cloud Architecture, and Understanding a Google Cloud Costs. Something like this have been added. These are new skill badges and quests that have been added. Okay, so far I think it's clear to you all. Yeah, how to start. Now, when it comes to how to start, any questions so far? You're not able to listen. I guess you must go to a place where you have a little bit good network. I hope you guys can listen. Okay. Now moving on to how to start. Okay. First of all, what you need to do is here is Google Cloud Boost skill. You have to create an account over here. Okay. I'm sending you the link on the chat box so that you can just go ahead. Okay. One more information that this year only 100, I think approx 100 institutes have been selected. So for so far, you will have only 50,000 registrations. I would say each. Pardon? Did you say anything? Please mute yourself. I don't want.
You are mute, ma'am.
Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't see that. Now it's okay.
Hello.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I sent you a link over there. You can just go ahead and click on the particular link, and then what you will do is you have to click on join. Okay, that's how you create a simple account. You can create it with Google, or what you can do next is you can just go ahead and join, create your account with putting a name, last name, and everything. Okay, but I will just suggest that create your account with Quick Labs only, because you can't just go ahead and then you have to every time verify your account with that your email. That would be pretty hard. So I would just say that do that thing. Okay, once you join or like sign up, you will be easily you can easily join or like sign in over there. Now what you need to do here is something very important. You can see my picture and a public profile URL. In the settings, when you first join, you will have to click on the settings, and over there will be something like you have to create. It's not over here available because I have actually changed my public profile. So that's when you will get a you will get a message that you have to enable your public profile. Yeah.
We can create the account with Google itself, right? With a Google account where.
Yeah, you can do. I said you can do it with Google as well, and you can just go ahead and create your own Google Skill Boost Lab, because what you have to do is like whenever you create a Google account with verification with Google, you have to always enable subscription, and then you have to just go ahead and every time verify yourself with your PC or like with your mobile device actually. So it's pretty easy for you to go ahead and create a simple Quick Lab account where you have a similar password which you can just save, and whenever you have to open it, you can open. And that's pretty easy, I guess.
Okay.
It was my suggestion. Now, you have to create a Google profile account, and this will be something like this. Okay. Please mute yourself. I don't want unnecessary noise. Okay. Now, once you create your profile over there, you can enable it as public. And this will be something like this. Your account will be your account profile link will be something like this. And over there, you will have all your skill badges and your certificates. This is very important. You can just put it, you can just copy the link, and you can share it in LinkedIn or in any social media platform. You can also do one thing, that if something like I just earned it on 10th April, and I wanted to share on LinkedIn, I can share my share it on my profile, or share it on my feeds, or on Twitter, or on Facebook, anything. So that's a plus point of getting this kinds of swags and certificates. Actually, that's a perk. And the next thing is that yeah. So far, I think I completed two things: how to create your how to create a Google Cloud public profile. And now prize eligibility and registration information. So what I am doing over here is I am the facilitator this year. Okay, so you have to register whenever you get a profiling, whenever this enrollment starts, you have to register within my institution, which is Government Women's Polytechnic, Jamshedpur. Okay, I'll just write it on the chat so that it's clear to each and everyone. It's Government Women's Polytechnic, Jamshedpur. Over there, you have to submit because you may not see your own institution over there. There will be only 100 registered institution from what the facilitators are actually enrolled by. Okay, like there are only 100 facilitators from 100 institution all over India. So you can only see like hundred of colleges over there. So you have to choose this one. The perk of this will be like, I will be able to track your progress. I will be able to see like which track you have won, what is your milestone till now, whether you have won the first milestone, second milestone, or third milestone. Well, I'll suggest each and everyone to complete till the fourth milestone. The reason is that most of the people who are actually selected as a facilitator the next year are the winners of ultimate milestone. And the next thing is that you will get a perk. The perk is that you will get a Google Cloud Boost, Google Career Readiness Program certificate, like a seat present over there. Well, what is this Google Career Readiness Program? Only 100 students or like 1,000 students each year get this program who complete all the tracks till fourth milestone within like the first week or the second week. Last year, a lot of students couldn't get because they were a little bit late. Even some of them were like a day later. They completed a day later, but some of them got and some of them didn't get. Okay, so I would suggest to complete all the tracks as soon as the registration starts. You can, it's pretty easy once you start. That would be a little bit uneasy for you to complete first, but you can take help of mine. I'll send you the email ID. You can send me on the WhatsApp, and all the admins present on the group, you can every time ping them and you can ask any question. We are ready to help you every time. I will be with you. Actually, we will be with you with till 25th June. Actually, till the day you receive your swags. Okay, so don't worry about that. We'll be always there with you. Hope you are able to see my screen and hear my voice.
Yeah, perfectly.
Yes,
okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, thank you very much. Next thing is like prize rules. Okay, how you can go ahead and what will be your prizes. Your prize notification or the link, the unique link which you get to put your address will be sent after 25th June, 11:59. Okay, like from 26th June we'll start. The first milestone, as you complete, you will have to complete the 10 quests, what I said, that's little badges and 5 skill badges. What are these skill badges? The skill badges are a challenge lab. There will be normal labs like this, normal labs like quests, but there will be an additional challenge lab. Okay, a challenge lab. You see, the rest of the labs are as similar as the first one, like Google Cloud Essential. I'll just let you know the difference. Like you see, a total lab, creating virtual machine, getting started. we'll discuss about it later on, but till now, Kubernetes and engine and setup HTTP load working balancers. Okay, and these are everything over there you see till the end. But one more lab is added, that is create and manage Google Cloud Resources challenge lab. Here you will not be allowed to get each and everything, like your all the description will not be shown to you. You have to do it all by yourself. Okay, well, you can take I'll just suggest you can take the help of us. You can take the help of Google as well, and you can take the help of YouTube. There are many YouTube channels where you can get the answers, but just try it by yourself. Maybe you can get a solution by yourself, and that would be a great thing. Actually, you have a lot of time. Try to do it by yourself, I would suggest. Else we are always there to help you. Okay, now you got it, what I was actually saying. Okay, now price rules, we were discussing about this. Okay, the first milestone, what you will get, a t-shirt, a Google Cloud badge, a pen, and some stickers. In the second milestone, when you complete 20 quests and 10 skill badges, you will get a sling bag, a Google Cloud shirt, a Google Cloud badge, a pen, and a sticker. Okay. Third, you will get a laptop bag, I would say, a laptop bag, a sling bag, a shirt, a Google Cloud badge, pen, and some stickers. And in the ultimate milestone, what I say, you will get everything plus a free access to Google Cloud Career Readiness Program. Over there, you can choose 2 tracks, like Google Associate Engineer and Data Analyst track. And over there, you will get an examination voucher that was around 10,000 to 12,000 as per my estimation. Like it's something like in dollars, but in Indian rupees, it's something like 10 to 12,000, which is pretty much high. But if you get a certification from Google, that worth it. So you are getting this particular career readiness program seat only when you're able to complete all this till the ultimate milestone. So start from 25th and try to complete each and every lab as soon as possible. Okay, the more earlier you do, the more chances of getting this kind of perk. Any questions, Sohail? I don't have a lot of time for completing lab. I know this is a very, very big reason. I know we all have started with offline classes, but try to complete it as soon as possible. If you contribute your 1 hour a day, that will be more than enough for you to, complete everything. I hope that's clear. Because when I was a student as a normal, when I used to complete it, I had an estimation of around 1 to 2 hours, and these are a little bit easy. Some labs take around one hour total, but some even take 15 minutes to complete. That totally depends on how you're able to complete them, like how you're going ahead. It's easy or it's slow. Try to read and do it as fast as possible. The next thing, yeah.
We can attend one lab 5 times, na?
Yeah, the quota is still 5 times. And if you're not able to complete it within 5 times also, you can get exceeded quota as well. Like you can get 5 more times once you email them. I'll send you the email once the registration starts.
Okay, and how can we get a quick lab credit?
Pardon? I couldn't get your question.
Means we required quick lab credits to
Yeah.
proceed,
So,
na?
Yeah, that's the thing. Whenever you register on 25th, what I said, on 25th, you will get each and everything. You will get a unique profile link plus a subscription from Google. Okay, that will be only when you. Yeah.
I already
Please
have
go
quick
ahead.
lab account.
Yeah. Okay, that's great. Did you?
And
did you do the labs last year?
No, last year I'm participant of 2021. I completed Learn to Earn challenges 2 times. That's it
Okay,
only.
okay. Okay, no
I sh-
problem. You can just enroll in this one also. I think your subscription is expired till now. The Learn and Earn subscriptions have been expired.
yeah, just I
Once you
share
see,
my.
yeah, please send me on my, please send me on DM so that I can see. Okay.
I shared in chat box.
Direct
ma'am.
message me so that. Okay, we'll just have a look. I can see your. Did you send on WhatsApp? In the company, just put your institute name, okay? I think I'm not able to see your screenshot till now. Okay, I got it. I will have a look over there later on, but till now, I have more students to explain. So let's go ahead.
Okay, fine, ma'am.
So any questions so far? Yeah, I'll answer your questions. Feel free to DM us or like ping us on the chat box. We have all the facilitators, which are pretty good in Google Cloud, so that's why they are selected out of all these 400 to 500 people who have registered this year. Only 100 of students have been selected, or like hundreds of institutes have been selected. So it's a pretty, hard competition, pretty tough competition this year. And I want each and everyone to complete the labs, because getting specs is another thing. That's just a different thing. But getting something you can just rely on. You will have a great knowledge of Google Cloud, not just Google Cloud, but about how to perform virtual labs, how to create virtual machines, and then everything about how you, if even if you get a chance to create your own Google Assistant. So once you complete the labs, you will be able to explore new and more things once you go ahead starting the labs. Okay, so I will just suggest you to just go ahead with this. And even I have seen some few people on LinkedIn who have started their career with like a Google Cloud, this Facilitator program, and these years they are working in Google Cloud Bangalore. I think the the company is in Bangalore, so they are working over there. So it's a huge thing. You can just start something from a random thing, and you are just going ahead one by one. So that's a great thing. Now, once you enroll in one of the quests, you will see like in progress things over here. Okay, something like this, which I have to complete, maybe. So I will see, or you will be able to see your labs, something like this over there. Okay, that's how you go ahead. Bug, if you're free, can you just share the lab sessions?
Sure.
Yeah, please.
I guess my screen
Okay,
is
so
visible.
for now, we will, yeah, it's visible. For now, we will have a random lab session where Gajendra will tell you about how to start the labs and how to work on them. Okay.
So actually, this is my new account. So I will tell all the people that how should you can create your account from the step 1, and then you can follow along with me if you want. As of now, I am creating a new account. I have shared the link in the chat box, if you guys can see, and I want the same link. So this is my new account. I am clicking on join button. So if you guys want, you can use this form fields also, but I'm continuing with Google because I prefer Google as Mega prefers the form one, but I prefer this one. So I will go with the Google one. I will just quickly accept the terms and conditions. So here my account is being just created for as of now. So I will just go to you have to guys just make the profile public here. Make a profile public and save this link for future reference, because whenever you guys are filling the form, Mega, you have shared the link of the website, right? The the facilitator website. Can I have it again?
Yeah, I've shared. Yeah, I can.
Just quickly share it. I have to go very. Please share it again.
Ma'am, from now we can create an account by the link.
Yeah, it's suggested to create your account as of now, because whenever the form is open, it will take maximum 15 to 25 minutes, then the form will close because many participants will register. So it's suggested that you create account so that your profile is become public and you can paste the link as soon as possible, because it takes time, na? That's why. So here it is written that enrollment opening. So here you will see the button enrollment open or something like that. Then you will just click the link and you will fill the name, your mail ID, whichever mail ID you are using, and don't forget to paste the correct link. All the link from here. Copy, and let me open this link in incognito mode so that you can see that how does it look. It looks like this. So you have to share this link. And Mega, can you share your the basic labs if you want?
Yeah.
Introductory lab. So I am stop sharing. You can share the lab thing if you want. Thank you, guys.
All right. So I'll just share the introductory lab on how you can go ahead. I guess the first one. Google
Yeah,
Cloud
you can share the
Essentials.
first one. Yeah. Other labs can be.
Yeah.
Other labs are available on YouTube. If you guys want, you can see there.
So what you need to do is once you go ahead with this, just copy it and open it in the incognito window. I'll suggest it strongly.
Share your screen.
The
please.
reason behind this. Okay. Actually, I forgot. Okay.
Yeah. Please start again.
Yeah. Now you can see. So I just opened the.
Wait for a moment. Now visible.
Is it visible now?
Yeah. You're mute, I guess.
Okay. Now you see. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Please. So I just signed into the Google account, and then I opened it in the incognito. I'll suggest you all should do the same, because it's quite seen that once you open the console, sometimes what happens, your original email ID is used over there. So that it's a little bit of issues while performing the labs. So I would strongly suggest do it in the incognito, okay? Because over there you won't have these kinds of issues. I'm having a little bit of network issues because it's raining over here. So please bear with me. Okay. Oh, I'll do the first one, a tour to Google Cloud hands-on labs. Bug, if you want, you can just restart the recording, because I want this one in the next recording. Actually, people can see that.
Yeah, hold for a moment. Yeah.